The M-Power Diamond Cross Credit Card. Never leave home without it. How do you sharpen this? Or this? This. Hey kids, welcome to another Cool Tool Tuesday. I am Phil Shinbein, and this week we are talking about the M-Power Diamond Cross Credit Card. This is just a very handy and indeed dandy, pocket-sized, double-sided sharpening stone, essentially, but it's steel. It's not actually stone. But it has 300 grit on one side and 600 grit on the other. I almost said 900 because I was looking at it upside down. Anyway. These are very, very handy for sharpening little tiny blades and pointy things and things that are a bit of a pain in the posterior to sharpen in traditional fashion, you know, your stones and whatnot. Router bits traditionally are a bit of a pain in the backside to sharpen because it's so small and fiddly, and these little bits on the top it just sucks. Most of us actually just farm it out. We pay somebody to sharpen our router bits. Traditionally, or I suppose more accurately, usually, router bits are notoriously a pain in the backside to sharpen, right? With this M-Power credit card, you can just take the bit out of your router, safety first kids, and pretty much on the fly, just give it a quick sharpen it right up and put it back in the router and you're good to go. And it is quick and easy, and you're no longer, you know, farming out the sharpening of your router bits to somebody who charges you too much to do it. Pretty much the same fashion, you can do your Forstner bits as well. This thing is also very handy for sharpening your cutty bits, your scissors and your, you know, trimmers and your snippy thingies. That's a very technical term, snippy thingies. With your chisels, you should probably use a more stationary stone, right? But if you're just on the fly and you hit something and you nick the end of it, you can just kind of deburr it, you know, with this very quickly. But they do also make a base that this will sit into that'll hold it flat on the table, and you can do quick sharpening on the fly. In the comments section weeks ago, months ago, a while ago, we did a video on brad point bits, and there was a question in there about sharpening them. Something like this is very handy for sharpening the top little fiddly, finicky bits at the top of your brad point bits as well. So there you go. The M-Power Diamond Cross Credit Card is made with a solid steel construction and has a very handy grippy handle. For more information on this and everything you need to know to get woodworking, come on down to the shop here in Melbourne or in Perth, or check the links down below in the doobly-doo. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, hit the notification bell and all that fun YouTube-y stuff. I am Phil Shinbein, and I will remain Phil Shinbein, and I will see you guys when I see ya.